what resources would you recommend for meditation? Of course, I mean, that's a question which is there, and if I may also partly answer it too, that you can actually log on to HealThyRam.com, where you will have resources from experts like Manpreet over here, or others as well. So that's one. If you could also share some.
Yeah, I will be happy to do that. Immersive retreats are another way, because then you get away for a longer period of time. Going to a retreat is a good way to really engulf and be part of that space where you want to create shifts and holistic well-being. Because in this busy life, people might sit for 2 minutes, but their mind is somewhere else. That's not enough time. So giving yourself a little bit of time to experience a more opening, and then you can come back with that. Then you can continue meditating.